Hey everyone, this is Seema from Disney Enchanted. Here's a room tour of a signature suite at the Swan Reserve. It's now time for Disney Magic. We're in room 4336 and this room sleeps 4. Walking into the room, the first thing you notice is how open and airy it feels. Just to the left as you walk in, there's a huge dining or conference style table, and right in front of it is what looks like a 55-inch TV. Underneath the TV, you'll find a coffee maker, fridge, and microwave, super handy for snacks or quick meals. Off to the right, there's a separate toilet room with its own sink. It's a good size and has pocket doors, which really helps save space and make the layout feel even more open. Heading into the main bathroom, there's a full-size walk-in shower. Just a heads up, there's no bathtub, so if you're traveling with little ones, that might be something to consider. I love the decor throughout this room. It's modern and clean. There's also a sink in here, and it connects directly to the main bedroom. We ended up in a corner room, which means tons of natural light thanks to windows on both sides. The bedroom has a king-size bed with 2 closets that are perfect for storing luggage out of the way. Like I said, this room sleeps 4, so that's really handy. The views are amazing in this room. So here you can see the Tower of Terror on one side. As we move to the other side, as you can see, there's also another big TV and a dresser. Again, the bed is a king-size bed, lovely decor. Through this other window, you can see Fantasia Mini Golf, and you can also see the Swan and Dolphin resorts. Going back in the main living room, you can really see how big and spacious this room really is. There's a generous seating area with a big couch and more huge windows overlooking the golf course. There's even another large TV in this room too. You have a picturesque view of the Swan and Dolphin here, and just to note, you can see the Epcot fireworks from this room. Now I know I mentioned this room sleeps 4. You may be wondering where. You have 2 in the bedroom and 2 more on the convertible couch, which turns into a bed. Looking back at the room, you can really get a sense of how much space it offers. Some of the highlights? Well, it's roomy enough for 4 people. The views are definitely fantastic. Everything is clean and well maintained. And since it is a Marriott Resort, Marriott Bonvoy members can enjoy all the perks of the Marriott stay right on Disney property. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.